In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in KUKU Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Click on KUKU Password Manager and click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!